In this video, we will be doing a proof involving isosceles triangles. So here we go. Given triangle GIH is isosceles with base GH, JH is congruent to KG, SG is congruent to FH. Prove triangle SDF is isosceles. We will be working through the proof down here and writing it out on the diagram. Triangle GIH is isosceles with base GH given. JH is congruent to KG given. We're going to draw that out in red because it makes it easier to see. JH is congruent to KG. Then SG is congruent to FH. SG is congruent to FH. Next, SH is congruent to FG. If the same segment is added to congruent segments, then the results are congruent. Therefore, SH over here is congruent to FG over here. Then angle JHG is congruent to angle KGH, definition of isosceles triangle. So angle JHG here is congruent to angle KGH over there. Then triangle SJH is congruent to triangle FKJ SAS. Triangle SJH is congruent to triangle FKJ side, angle, side. From there, angle S is congruent to angle F. CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So angle S is congruent to angle F, CPCTC. Then triangle SDF is isosceles, definition of isosceles triangle. If a triangle has two congruent base angles, which we do here, it is isosceles.